And as we learned earlier this evening, Bill left us this past year. Bill was a longtime chamber member and a board member who was also a community leader known for building bridges among the diverse populations of Osceola County. As an example of what this award exemplifies, it was renamed this year in honor as the Guillermo Hansen Unity Award.
My father, Guillermo Hansen, was a member of the Chamber. He was the founder of the Hispanic Business Council at the Chamber 25 years ago, where he created Viva Osceola, he created the Three Kings Day event, he created Business Under the Stars, and so just seeing how passionate he was about the Chamber of Commerce, I want to continue his legacy. Also, I mean, what better way to do business with your community than through the Chamber of Commerce?
Say that with this award, it's not a one-person role. It's all of you getting involved. Thank you for all that you do as a chamber. Thank you for all you do as a community. And please continue to connect and grow. And thank you to Bill for shining a light on us and leading us every day.